Does anybody like rap?
Yes.
Raise your hand if you like rap. Raise your hand if you don't like rap. Okay? Stop counting. Okay? So we got one person that doesn't like it.
Who likes doo-wop?
Well, I wrote a little rap for you guys, so I'm going to try to perform it right now. And I got my my beatboxer, Nick B. So hopefully this will be educational. And at some point, if you guys want the lyrics, once I copyright it, it'll be all yours. And you can probably buy it on iTunes for 49 cents. It's a discount. All right, so accounting, the language of business. Accounting, the language of business. Everybody hates accounting class. Must be the profs, the time of the math. If they could just be open to listen and learn, financial success is their badge to earn. The fundamentals start with the simple equation. A equals L plus E. It's even simpler than a surface abrasion.
A equals L plus E.
Assets are symbolized by a simple A, made up of items that you see every day. Cash, receivables, and inventories, land, equipment, and buildings with stores. Now the purpose of these items is to provide benefit, just like a ball player who helps his team with a hit. They're increased on the left side with the debit, decreased on the right side with the credit. The fundamentals start with the simple equation.
A equals L plus E.
It's even simpler than a surface abrasion.
A equals L plus E.
Now liabilities are things you owe, like loans, notes, and a payable. Why would we ever want to borrow? Sometimes there is no cash for tomorrow. Now we only want to borrow if we can get it back at a rate higher than when we started this track. Some people call it leverage. I call it being smart. Loans can be beneficial from the very start. The fundamentals start with the simple equation.
A equals L plus E.
It's even simpler than a surface abrasion.
A equals L plus E.
Now last but not least is E for equity. It's almost as important as Earth with gravity. Equity is where you put your stash, but please remember equity is not cash. Now dividends are what investors need, but keep in mind expenses they do not feed. Rev, expenses, and divs are closed out, while retained earnings is what it's all about. So. Good stuff.